Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Practice comparing different values. In the last two challenges, we learned about the equality operator and the strict equality operator. Let's do a quick review and practice using these operators some more. If the values being compared are not the same type, the equality operator will perform a type conversion and then evaluate the values. However, the strict equality operator will compare both the data type and value as is without converting one type to another. So in this example, we can see 3 in numeric type, and when we use double equal sign with 3 in a string form, then it returns true because JavaScript performs type conversion from a string to number. And when we use 3 in numeric type and then 3 triple equal sign with 3 in single quotes, then it will return false because the types are different and the type conversion is not performed automatically here. Note that in JavaScript you can determine the type of variable or value with the type of operator. For example, here we use type of operator to find the type of 3 here, which will return a number. If we use single quotes and 3 within that, it will return a string as type. The task for this challenge: the compare equality function in editor compares two values using the equality operator. Modify the function so that it returns equal only when the values are strictly equal. So just we have to change double equal sign to triple equal sign and it will work. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.